Chris, fantastic to get that recognition. I know you'll see it as a reward for the whole team, but obviously as the manager, fantastic to get that recognition.
Yeah, but you know, I wasn't expecting anything. I think and the award will be for myself, the whole staff, everybody that's been involved with it. You all know what it's taken from all of us. The team's the finished article on the pitch, and obviously then all arrows are pointing to the manager. Win, lose or draw, that's the way it is. But before it gets to that stage, there's a hell of a lot of work by a hell of a lot of people that's gone in. So yeah, everybody deserves a piece of the accolades, and I'm thoroughly delighted to receive the award tonight.
You've had a few accolades recently, nominated as Coach of the Year. You've also the Freedom of the City of Swansea, your home city, this evening. Do you appreciate it more because of what you've gone through, the hard times when you started off in this Welsh job? Is there that sense of do you want to enjoy it more at the moment?
Yeah, I never ever forget the tough times, and I've had plenty. That's what shapes you, and that's what drives you on. You always enjoy it when it's good, and when you're having good moments, and we're in a good moment. But you have to keep on keeping on. You've got to keep working hard, and you've got to try to keep pushing yourself. And I said after the tournament, the worst thing we can do is stand still, become complacent, stay in the comfort zone, and have the attitude with it. Everything's okay because haven't we done well? We know we've done well. The team have been magnificent, but we've got to keep pushing on, and we've got to somehow try to make this campaign a success on the back of the last one. And we're in a good situation. We're okay. A lot of positives. We can improve still, of course. A lot of hard work to be done, but I still think there's exciting times ahead.
Okay, brilliant. Congratulations. Well done.
Thank you.